Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, itatry nating mag-compute ng ating SSS pension using the new SSS pension calculator. So since gumawa ako ng video last year, I think, so today it's the best time to refresh. So let's go. So punta lang tayo sa sss.gov.ph and then click lang natin yung check out the pension calculator. So, pwede mo rin gawin dito sa website ng SSS. Mag-create ng My SSS account para makapag-login ka online. Pwede mo rin siyang i-download yung My SSS mobile app para pwede ka rin magbayad doon and ma-check ang iyong mga contributions. And then, pwede ka rin mag-apply for an SSS online number. Okay, so let's go with the pension calculator. So this is a calculator for the pension you will receive under these SSS programs. So, kung nagko-contribute ka via regular SSS and mandatory provident fund, so ito yung part ng SSS contribution na pumupunta sa member's individual account na may pension based dun sa total contributions plus net earnings. And then, voluntary contribution naman, ito naman yung pension booster. So, ito yung additional voluntary savings. So, at least 500 pesos contributions para sa mga members para makapag-earn ng income, para ma-boost yung pension mo. Ibig sabihin, bukod dun sa regular SSS na hinuhulog mo, pwede mong mapataas yung pension mo using the pension booster. So, 500 pesos minimum yan. And para siyang yung investment part ng SSS. So, since merong maximum amount doon sa regular SSS, pwede mo siyang pataasin using the pension booster. So, let's try to compute our pension. Okay, ayan. So, input nyo lang yung current age nyo. For example, 30 years old tayo. And, kunwari, ang current monthly salary natin is, for example lang, sabihin na natin 30,000. Tapos, ang gusto ko ring estimated monthly pension ko rin, kunwari, is 30,000 din. Tapos, afford mo na additional monthly savings ay around 1,500. So, usually, ito yung amount na tinatanong or yung average salary sa Pilipinas. So, ito, yung average salary sa Pilipinas. So, let's click and calculate. Ayan. So, ang monthly contribution mo starting today. So, for the regular SSS, that's 3,000. Mandatory Provident Fund, 1,500. So, 6,000. Tapos, ang estimated monthly pension mo sa 2,055 is 31,146. So, ibig sabihin yan, maghulog ka ng 6,000 per month para magkaroon ka ng 31,000 na pension pagdating mo ng retirement age, which is 2,055. So, ito yung summary information. Total contribution mo that time ay 2.16 million. So, number of contribution years, that's 30 years. Since nilagay mong age mo dito is 30, so mag-retire ka at age 60. So, ibig sabihin, magko-contribute ka ng 30 years. So, ang total pension mo is 5.8M. And number of pension years para sa pension booster mo is 15. So, that is until age 75. Ang contribution rate para sa mandatory programs is 15%. And contribution amount is fixed with no payment gap until earliest retirement age at least 60. So, ito, yung computation dito, for example, walang laktaw. So, dire-diretso to ha. Pag may laktaw, mababago yan, mababawasan yan. So, itong computation dito is estimate only and hindi pa yan yung final pagdating mo ng age. So, estimate lang yan para makita mo kung magkano talaga yung dapat mong ihulog para ma-reach mo yung kanyang pension pagdating mo ng retirement age. Additional benefit allowance of 1,000 pesos per month and 13-month pension din. So, pagdating mo ng retirement, meron kang 13-month tsaka 1,000 per month na additional benefit. Sa pension booster programs naman, may ROI na 6%, management fee rate na 1%, pension period is fixed at 15 years. So, hanggang 15 years lang yung pension booster. So, ayan guys. So, pwede nyo nang makompute dito kung magkano yung gusto nyo maging pension and magkano yung kailangan nyo ihulog today para ma-reach nyo yung gusto nyong pension at the age of 60 years old. Itin ko lang dito yung final estimate lang ito and pag may laktaw ka, mas mababa yung makukuha mo. So, make sure na mag-invest din sa ibang bagay, hindi lang sa SSS since hindi lang naman SSS yung pwede nating asahan pagdating natin ng retirement. Okay? So, there are a lot of products na pwede mong pag-investan ng pera mo and not just SSS. So this is just a guide and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and pag meron pa kayong mga tanong or gusto nyong i-compute natin, comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.